we about to get some bacon. What's those on the grill?
They're smoked burgers.
Ooh, that joker tender too. Oh, look at it falling apart. Look at that bark on that brisket. That looks delicious, y'all. Look good, smell good. What's up, family? Today I'm leaving Newark, New Jersey and headed out to the Meadowlands Sports Complex for a mouth-watering food truck festival called the Battle of the Meads. Let's eat. Tell us about your brisket.
The brisket is was smoked for around 18 hours. It's got a salt pepper garlic rub, and this heavy smoke with heavy hickory.
Okay, if you had a choice, that's the last question. A choice between the burgers or the brisket, what would you get?
Brisket.
I'm going for the brisket. Fam, I'm here in line at the Craft Barbecue and I'm going for the brisket. It was suggested the brisket, man, and they smoke it that many hours. Now I want to taste that smoke. They did give me utensils, y'all, but we're gonna use our Carolina forks right now. Oh, that's some thick brisket, man. Look at this. Woo, that joker tender too. Oh, look at it falling apart. Look at this, man. Look at that bark on that brisket. That is really tender. You guys see it breaking up? Oh, I got me some grease on there. That's what the bread is for. I don't need napkins when I have bread. This is good. It's tender, it's flavorful, it's absolutely delicious. I got like 2 slices here. It came to $7.80 something. They also give you pickles here. Those are my type of pickles too. That's good, man. It's good brisket, it's official, but I didn't do it right. I gotta put it on the bread. I like that fatty piece right there. I'm gonna put that on the bread. I'm gonna put some onions on the bread like that. Put a couple of them pickles in there. I need some type of sauce now too. I got that fatty piece in there, y'all. Let's check it out. That fatty piece is so flavorful. It was absolutely delicious, but it's delicious to the second power on the bread. Okay, on to the next one. I got that slab bacon. Oh, he put them spices on there. There's a line here. It's always good when there's a line, right? That means they got what the people want. Yo, I didn't know about the complimentary sauces, y'all. We gonna get mango habanero. Look, y'all, I got that bacon on a stick. Yo, this is serious, man. I didn't know that they put the special sauces on it too, but I got that mango habanero, and we gonna check it out. It's that thick sliced bacon. If you from down south, you know what type of bacon this is. Oh, that was that fatty piece. Oh, that mango habanero is so spicy. Yo, I've never had mango habanero on bacon before. Oh, that is a big piece of bacon, y'all. I got that fatty piece. Y'all know that pork fat is so delicious. Oh, man. I'm chewing on that fat like bubble gum. It's really, really delicious, man.
I love me some bacon.
Yeah, man. It's the truth. All right, y'all, it came at $9. $9 for a slice of bacon, but it's really thick. I know what y'all thinking. But we out here, man. Oh, that's so good. At least I got aluminum foil. I'm not gonna eat all this bacon because I gotta hit all the trucks, but I'm gonna put this in a pot of greens later. All right, y'all. On to the next one. Let me lick my fingers first. Yo, I'm at Uncle Eddie's again, y'all. Y'all remember we crashed their backyard party? I told him I wasn't really in the family now. He's like, what? I thought you was my nephew. Yo, they even giving samples out.
It's this one right here? Yes.
That's got the special sauce on it?
That is got the special sauce.
Okay, tell us about the sauce.
Good. Sweet.
Sweet, good. Scale of 1 to 10.
I'll say 8.5.
8.5. Tell us about it. You said about
It's
8?
sweet and smoky. It's really good.
Oh, nice, sweet, and smoky. Oh yeah, y'all, that burger's coming up. That burger, y'all thought this was a game. The sauce is. You got any extra sauce I can put on top? Look, y'all thought this was a game. They are not playing out here. This Uncle Eddie. Are you Uncle Eddie's wife? You know I crashed the cookout the other day. I crashed the cookout, y'all, and I was like, yo, you look like one of my uncles. He said, I'm Uncle Eddie. And I was like, cool. Oh yeah, my drink too. Thank you. So look, we going in for this burger, y'all. Y'all already heard it. If y'all watched my last episode, everybody said it was a 10 plus. Let's go check it out. All right, family, I just went through my 3rd truck, right? That was the 3rd truck of the day. I went to Uncle Eddie's, man, and I got that sauce on it. Now, if y'all saw one of the previous episodes where I crashed the barbecue cookout in the backyard, that was Uncle Eddie, man. I did not have the burger, but other people did, and they said it was a 10. Let's check it out. I don't even want to bite none of the bread. Oh my goodness. Oh. Look at this burger, y'all. Can y'all see that? My straw just blew off the table. It's really windy, man. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. That burger, it was just easy to bite. That burger's delicious. I want to bite another piece without the bread. Oh, wow. 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 I'm about to go out on a limb, y'all. I think this is the best burger I've ever had. Let's get the bread and everything in it now. Hey, I'm gonna take my hat off to Uncle Eddie. This is the best burger I've ever had. Wow. That's delicious. I said to myself I wasn't gonna eat all of this burger. I still want to hit one more food truck, but it's delicious. I want to take some of the bread off, y'all, and get to that burger. What sauce did you get? Hold up, y'all, hold up.
Bitch and bacon on a stick. I got the sweet cherry, the sweet red peppers, and I got the syrup with the cinnamon.
Yeah.
And then I tried the garlic parmesan.
How many you had? Oh.
I had 4.
Oh, you ate the other ones?
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
It is good.
Bitch and bacon on a stick.
Yeah.
Get you some.
Yes. Thank you. I told y'all they were the truth. That bacon spot, Uncle Eddie's is the spot. Craft Barbecue is the spot. I'm gonna hit one more spot while I'm out here. Y'all know What I normally do is take a couple bites and put in the bag. I'm about to eat all of this. This is freaking delicious. This joker heavy too. That's all that's left right there. I'm not gonna eat that piece of bread. That burger was the best. Yo, we going right for the smoked mac and cheese right here.
Make you want to slap your mouth.
All right, y'all, we just hit Magic Mike's smoked meats, and I got the mac and cheese. It kind of looked like the mac and cheese my grandmother used to make, but we gonna see. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, it's got a little cheesy to it. It's good flavor. It's really good mac and cheese. Is it the best mac and cheese I've ever had? No. Wait a minute. It's getting good. Getting real good. This is really good mac and cheese, man. They have a sign that says, "Come get pork." Magic Mike smoked meats. They normally put the food in. I mean, they usually put the meat on top, like the brisket or the ribs.
One full day.
This is good.
Early in the morning, you come back at night. That's the best option. You get the room,
great flavor, man. I would give it an 8. I'm gonna give it a number 8, and I'm gonna keep it moving.
How many days?
This is good mac and cheese. Y'all know I'm full after I ate that whole burger.
At least in Colorado, we just stayed one night.
The macaroni is official, but I give it an 8. On to the next one. Alright, looking good. Tell us about your business.
I do. My name is Jay. I own Benett St BBQ. We do a fusion barbecue with tastes from India, South America, all over the world. What we're known for are our ribs, smash burgers.
This will be our second burger today, y'all. He's gonna make a smash burger right there. Why they call them smash burgers?
Smash it.
All right, that's the smash burger, y'all. Wow, you snuck me with that bread right there.
I did.
Look at that, man.
Sauce in there too.
It looks absolutely amazing, man. All right, guys, you saw it. Benett St BBQ right there. Let's check this out, man. He snuck me with the bread. I did not expect like the bread that like the Wonder type looking bread. Look at this, man. This looks delicious though. Let me get that out of the shade. That looks delicious, y'all. Look good, smell good. Yo, this is hefty too. That's really good. You know what's bringing out the flavors, man? The onions and the sauces that he has on here. I mean, I taste the burger too. The burger tastes like a good beef burger, but it's the extras that he put on here. That cheese tastes like the government cheese that they used to give out years ago. Y'all remember we used to get the government cheese? Look at the cheese, look how thick it is. We used to make grilled cheese with that government cheese. Oh, the onions are nice and sweet. Really good. I like this. It's really windy out, it's sunny, and I feel wet water on my face from somewhere. I hope that's not from the horses. Y'all got some wild jokes. You get potato chips with this one. I'm gonna give the Benett Smash Burger an 8, guys. Number 8. It's really good. But that burger that I had down the road was a 10 plus to the second power. See guys, you can see that burger. See the burger right there? Let me pull that burger up. See the burger? It's just a regular burger. But the condiments that he put on here and the sauces are delicious. It's good, man. I like your sauces, the cheese, of course. Like you put, would you put 2 pieces of cheese on there?
Yeah.
You ever? This remind me of the government cheese we used to get. It was the best. No, that's a good thing. Anytime you say that, that was the best cheese ever. The government used to give out cheese when they had surplus on the farms, and they made the best grilled cheese ever.
No shit.
Yeah. But the condiments, the onions, the sweet onions, man, it's all delicious. I gave it an 8. Yep. The burger taste, you know, it's like frozen patties.
No, they're yeah, I mean, yeah, you gotta bring the box.
Okay, yeah.
I'll give you one rib.
No, oh, here we go.
One rib challenge.
All right.
How about that?
One rib challenge. I know I'm a foodie, but I'm foodied out. This is the one rib challenge, man. We're gonna use our Carolina forks if I don't drop it. Y'all saw I almost dropped that, right? We're gonna use our Carolina forks. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, that sauce is really good. Well, I like that. That flavor's delicious. I got it on my lip.
Finger licking good.
Oh yeah. It tastes really spicy. Not hot spicy, but he put some spices in here. That's delicious, man.
I'm happy you like
It has a firm bite too. There you go. Uh-oh. Let me stop. But that last rib I had, man, if I had to give it a score, it would be like a 5.5. It was really salty, man. After I started, you know, after you taste food for a minute, it starts to seep in, and that's when I realized it was on the salty side, man. It was, yeah. Look at them dusting them off with that sauce.
Come on.
Yo, I had a smash burger down the road, man.
I was.
It's just a patty, man. It was just a patty. I mean, I'm like, if it wasn't for the onions and a little bit of sauce they put on it, yours is like not just a patty. It was like you do something different, man. Oh, everybody going for the Texas style barbecue, right? You got a line out there for that one. I didn't try that one, but I don't know. What y'all know about the food truck festival? Battle of the Meats at the racetrack, Meadowlands racetrack. People gambling, smoke up in the air, sunshine. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. I can't take it. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. But I love you guys, man. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Thanks for always supporting the channel. And I'll see you at the next one. Peace.